Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to knit the Tiny Pebbles Stitch pattern. This pattern is actually really easy to do, so let's go ahead and jump into it. So for this project, you're going to need to know how to knit, purl, and cast on. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those techniques. Now to get started, you want to cast on any even number of stitches. Row 1 is going to be super easy. We are just going to knit every stitch. Row 2, we are going to knit the first stitch, and then we are going to purl all the way across until the last stitch, which we will finish off with a knit. Then we are going to knit one, and then we are going to knit two together, and we're going to repeat this all the way into the last stitch, which is just a regular knit. So knitting two together is exactly like it sounds. Just insert your needle into 2 stitches, yarn over, knit it, drop those 2 stitches. So let's see that again. Row 3 is pretty straightforward. Just remember not to have your yarn too tight, or else it will make knitting two together a little bit difficult. Alright, so now we're just going to knit the last stitch. So row 4, we are going to start off by knitting the first stitch again. Then we are going to knit one, and we are going to pick up a horizontal thread from the next stitch and knit it. We're also going to get my camera to focus. So you're going to find this loop right there, yarn over, and knit. Followed by knitting one. So let's see that again. You have that gap in between the 2 stitches, that right there. You're going to insert your needle from the front, yarn over, and knit. And then knit the next stitch. So that space between, knit, and then knit the next stitch. Knit, and knit, and then when you get to your last stitch, you are just going to knit. And that's it. You'll just repeat rows 1 through 4 until you get your desired size for your project. And there you have it. That is how you knit the Tiny Pebbles Stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy knitting day.